Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change Steam username. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you need to do, you need to type Steam to double check if your Steam app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen to my browser, and I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. Your Steam ID and Steam account name cannot be changed, even by Steam support staff members. Your player name can be changed at any time in your profile settings under edit my profile page. So is it possible to change my username? It is not possible to change your username for now. It says right here, unlike some services that offer limited username changes or charge to change your tag, Steam allows users to adjust their username at any time. But from the official website, it says your Steam ID and Steam account name cannot be changed unless you want to change your player name. You're gonna be able to actually do that. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.